Hi, it's the Naked Traders. The past week was clearly a busy one for currency markets, filled with major macroeconomic events and data releases, and this week still features major central bank releases. This week, our currency focus shifts to the Australian dollar. Last week, the Australian dollar struggled to recover amid mixed data, trade balance, and building approvals beating expectations, but weak retail sales, subdued wages, and eye-wateringly high consumer debt sent it back down. The highlight of the upcoming week is undoubtedly the rate decision by the RBA on Tuesday. The official cash rate still languishes at 1.5%, record low, and certainly not expected to change on Tuesday. However, in an RBA recent speech, we learned that at least one member of the central bank leans to a rate cut. Since then, inflation figures came out and they were quite poor. Will the RBA open the door to a rate cut? That could be interesting. The RBA has another chance to influence the currency late in the week. The quarterly statement may provide insights about inflation and hints towards further moves. In the past, this document certainly has had its impact on the Australian dollar. This week we'll be keeping a close eye on the following charts, which are all at key areas, and it's this week that will give us further clues on how price action will respond to these areas. The first chart is AUD-CAD. Price action has been sideways for the last 2 months, but we have just seen another test of this form of support turn resistance on this weekly ascending wedge. Next up we have the AUD-Swissy. This pair is in this long-term ascending wedge and failed to break this resistance line on several attempts, with price action consolidating near this upper area. This week should give us further clues on future price action for this pair. Finally, we have the AUD-NZD. This week also sees the NZD interest rate decision, and along with a newly installed Prime Minister, this rate decision happens to be the first under the new Labour-led government. One possible area of change traders are watching for is an adjustment to inflation expectations in order to account for the weaker currency. This pair has remained in this long-term ascending wedge and price has recently come off this resistance line. With both currencies in focus this week, this pair should help establish future price action. With the launch of Insomnia Automated Trader, trading on proven trade setups couldn't be simpler. Insomnia's advanced algorithm automatically identifies and executes trades using a proven strategy that has made over 5,000 pips in the past 12 months. If you trade from your mobile phone, then our Pro Trader plan is perfect for you. You can trade from your phone in just 10 minutes a day. Gain full access to our daily trade setups anywhere, anytime. Get our trade setups in real time by push notification and see how we're performing month by month through our trade journals. To start making money from trading, join us today by visiting our website or through our mobile app.